Hi everyone, this is Gautami, representing MarvelSoft. In this video, I am going to explain you about how to generate monthly attendance report and daily attendance report in SchoolAdmin software. First, we have to log in into the software. Now I am going to explain you about how to generate the monthly attendance reports in SchoolAdmin software. So click on Student Reports menu. Then click on Monthly Attendance Student Reports. Here, select class, select section. If you want to view a particular student's of monthly attendance report, so you can select the particular student's name here. Then click on PDF to view the monthly attendance reports of that particular students. Or else if you want to view all class monthly reports, so click on Reset button here. Again you have to select class, then select section, then click on PDF to view the whole class monthly attendance reports here. See, the monthly attendance reports are generated here. Next, I am going to explain you about how to update the monthly attendance in our software. So click on Student Information menu. Click on Monthly Attendance to update the attendance. Here, select class, select section, and also select the month. Enter the number of days or number of working days in a month here, 26. Then click on filter option. See, that particular class students are displayed here. So here you should update the monthly attendance of that particular students. Like out of 26 days, you should enter the present days of the particular student here. Next, 26. Like this you have to enter one by one. Once you updated the monthly attendance to all the students, then click on Update button. See, attendance record updated successfully message will be displayed here. Once you updated the attendance for all the months here, then you can view the monthly attendance reports. So go to Student Reports menu. Then click on Monthly Attendance Student Reports. Here, select class, select section, then click on PDF to view the monthly attendance here. See, report is generated. And also you can manage the daily attendance in this software. So first I am going to show the daily attendance reports. So go to Student Reports menu, then click on Student Attendance Report. Here, select class, select section, and also select the date. Then click on PDF to view the daily attendance of that particular class. See, the daily attendance present or absent class-wise count report is generated here. Now I am going to explain how to update the daily attendance. So go to Student Information menu. Click on Daily Attendance. Here, select class, select section, and also you can select the date here, like absent date, those who are absent on that day. Select date. Then click on filter option. See, that particular class students are displayed here. See here, it's showing all students present here. See. If any one student is absent, so uncheck the box. So it will change to absent. You can give like this. You can check. If you check this, it will show present, or else it will show absent. Then click on update button. See, daily attendance records update successfully message will be displayed here. Once you updated the daily attendance, then I will show the daily attendance report. So go to Student Reports menu. Click on Daily Attendance Reports. Here, select class, select section, and also select the date. Then click on PDF to view the selected class daily attendance report. See, the daily attendance present or absent class-wise count report is generated here. Thanks for watching this video.